Today's defense news. Let's have a look at the highlights. Apple into talks with Bharat Forge to make the firm its Indian vendor. KASFAB Tools enters semiconductor manufacturing, seeks play in the $125 billion market. Vardhaan Lithium Pvt Ltd to establish nation's first lithium refinery. Kaynes Technology and Atomberg enter into a strategic partnership for design for manufacturing in India. Indian Navy hosts Indonesian Navy delegation. ADE to represent India EU's Eurodrone program. Integration of 6,000 plus kilometer range Voronezh radar poised to revolutionize India's early warning capabilities covering whole of China and Pacific region. EU eyes increased Indian Ocean security presence, proposing liaison officer at India's Maritime Fusion Center in Gurugram. Hanwha Ocean explores Indian shipyards, seeking to offload overflowing order book and forge strategic partnerships. The global headlines: KNDS, Rheinmetall and Thales move ahead on next generation tank project. Egypt signs first export deal for Qadar 1 and Qadar 2 armored vehicles with Equatorial Guinea. Milrem Robotics reveals armed UGV to be supplied to Ukraine. Let's have a look at the news in detail. Apple is in talks with Bharat Forge to make the Kalyani Group company one of its vendors in India, according to the Economic Times. If an agreement is reached, Bharat Forge will make the components for the iPhone in India. Bharat Forge will then be the latest Indian company to work with Apple after the Tata Group. Apple has 3 iPhone assembly plants in India. The largest of them is run by Foxconn in Tamil Nadu. The other two are Tata Group units in Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. The current vendors include Sunvoda for battery packs, Foxlink for cables, and Aquis for enclosures. Amperix Technology, a major Apple supplier, is preparing to commence battery cell production at its 180-acre facility in Manesar, Haryana. In August, the Financial Daily reported about Motherson Group's plans to join the Apple supply chain through collaboration with BIEL Crystal Manufactory from Hong Kong, pending government approval. The Karnataka-based KASFAB Tools, a new venture by the KAS Group, inaugurated its state-of-the-art semiconductor manufacturing facility at Dodabalapur, around 45 kilometers from Bangalore, on 27th of January. KASFAB Tools has secured a multi-million-dollar order for making specialized semiconductor process equipment. The company will initially focus on making legacy equipment at its 20,000 square feet facility, in which it has already invested rupees 20 crores, with plans to invest up to rupees 250 crores. Through the facility, the company is making a play for the global semiconductor equipment market, valued at $125 billion. The contract manufacturer KASFAB Tools' new facility will focus on exporting the equipment currently manufactured by the company, according to Manjunath Jyotinagara, Managing Director of KASFAB Tools. KASFAB Tools has achieved a localization rate of 30 to 40% and aims to collaborate with leading players such as Applied Materials, Lam Research, Tokyo Electron, Yield Engineering Systems, and similar companies. KASFAB Tools is a KAS Group company under UHP Technologies and KASTech Equipment. Vardhaan Lithium Pvt Ltd has proposed the establishment of the country's first lithium refinery and battery manufacturing unit located in Butibori, Nagpur in Maharashtra. It has a total investment of Rs 45,532 crores. It is a wholly owned subsidiary of the Vardhaan Group. This project aims to address India's increasing demand for lithium-ion batteries, reducing dependency on imports, and stabilizing price volatility. The facility, spread over 500 acres, will be equipped with state-of-the-art technology to ensure efficient production and high-quality output, marking a significant step in India's pursuit of self-sufficiency in lithium battery production. Kaynes Semicon and Atomberg will collaborate in area of design for manufacturing, that is DFM. Atomberg is a leading innovation-driven company which focuses in areas of consumer electronics. This collaboration aligns well with Kaynes Technology's vision of advancement in technological areas and helps the company achieve its goal of becoming a known brand in the electronics space. This partnership will concentrate on areas such as new product introduction, Kaynes' advanced capabilities can seamlessly align with the design expectation of Atomberg's engineers. This synchronization reduces design time, enabling engineers to complete their work more efficiently. Admiral Muhammad Ali, Chief of Staff of the Indonesian Navy, and Admiral Dinesh Tripathi, Chief of the Naval Staff, held bilateral interactions to deepen maritime cooperation and strengthen ties between the two close maritime neighbors. The key areas of discussion: advancing joint initiatives like Exercise Samudra Shakti, strengthening operational collaboration, addressing shared maritime challenges including piracy and other illegal activities at sea, engagement at key maritime establishments such as the Information Fusion Center, Indian Ocean Region, and the Weapons and Electronic System and Engineering Establishment, VC, focusing on enhancing regional collaboration and maritime domain awareness. He also visited the BrahMos Aerospace Private Limited and exchanged ideas and insights on future strengthening bilateral cooperation in the area of defense and strategy. As we have mentioned earlier, India has officially joined the Eurodrone program as an observer state, marking a significant step in its defense collaboration with Europe. Aeronautical Development Establishment (ADE) will represent India in the Eurodrone program. This role emphasizes ADE's importance in advancing India's unmanned aerial vehicle technology and integrating global best practices into domestic projects. As an observer, India gains access to technical information related to the Eurodrone program but does not participate in decision-making processes regarding its design or development. This status allows India to learn from European advancements while exploring potential future collaborations in UAV technology. The Eurodrone, also known as the Medium Altitude Long Endurance Remotely Piloted Aircraft System, the MALE RPAS, is designed for long endurance missions focused on intelligence, surveillance, target acquisition, and reconnaissance. Its star. It features a wingspan of 26 meters, can carry a payload of 2.3 tons, and is expected to operate at altitudes of up to 45,000 feet for approximately 40 hours. DRDO is significantly bolstering its ballistic missile defense capabilities through a technology transfer agreement with Russia for the advanced Voronezh radar system. This collaboration will integrate Russian technology with indigenous Indian systems, substantially expanding India's early warning and detection capabilities. A word about the radar. The Voronezh radar system, an advanced over-the-horizon radar, has been developed by the Russian firm Almaz Ante and can detect ballistic missile launches from thousands of kilometers away. With a range of 6,000 to 8,000 kilometers, the Voronezh radar will form the core of India's Very Long Range Radar program. This cooperative effort will combine cutting-edge Russian radar technology with Indian innovations, enhancing India's technological expertise and ensuring the system is customized to meet the region's specific strategic requirements. The agreement mandates that at least 60% of the radar components be manufactured in India. India currently operates the Swordfish long-range tracking radar based on the Israeli Green Pine radar. Integrated into India's Phase 2 BMD system, this radar primarily monitors threats from Pakistan with a detection range exceeding 2,000 kilometers. Sources confirm that an upgraded version of the Swordfish radar is already operational. The incorporation of Voronezh technology will triple India's radar surveillance range, extending it to over 6,000 kilometers. This expanded coverage will encompass all of China, including potential missile launches from the mainland and submarines in the Pacific and Indian Oceans, providing India with a significant strategic advantage. This enhanced radar system will provide crucial early warning time, enabling faster decision making and countermeasures and strengthening India's deterrence capabilities. Now, a word about Almaz Ante, the Russian defense firm. This firm specializes in the development and production of advanced air defense systems, including the S-300, S-400, and S-500 missile systems. It has a significant global presence, supplying defense systems to various countries and participating in international defense exhibitions. It is known for its cutting edge technology and continuous innovation in the field of air and missile defense. The European Union and India are exploring deeper security and defense cooperation as part of their strategic partnership, reflecting shared concerns about maritime security, counterterrorism, and the complexities of the Indo-Pacific region. EU has proposed placing a liaison officer at the Information Fusion Center Indian Ocean Region, that is IFC-IOR, in Gurugram. Established by the Indian Navy, the IOR IFC is a hub for monitoring maritime activities and fostering cooperation among partner nations to ensure security in the Indian Ocean. The proposed EU liaison officer signifies the EU's growing interest in Indo-Pacific maritime security and aims to bolster information sharing and coordination to address challenges such as piracy, trafficking, and illegal fishing. This proposal aligns with the EU's Indo-Pacific strategy, which emphasizes a rule-based order, freedom of navigation, and stronger partnerships with like-minded nations, including India. For India, this collaboration presents an opportunity to deepen defense and strategic ties with Europe. India and the EU have been actively engaged in dialogues on defense procurement, joint military exercises, and counter-terrorism initiatives. Their cooperation extends to cybersecurity, space security, and technology sharing. Hanwha Ocean is exploring collaborations with Indian shipyards to expand its shipbuilding and repair operations. This move comes as South Korean shipyards face capacity constraints due to a global surge in demand for new vessels. A high-level delegation from Hanwha Ocean, formerly known as Daewoo Shipbuilding and Marine Engineering, recently concluded a 10-day visit to India. The delegation toured several major Indian shipyards, including Pipavav, operated by Swan Defence and Heavy Industries, Cochin Shipyard, Hindustan Shipyard, and L&T Shipbuilding Limited. The visit culminated in a key meeting with senior officials from the Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways on 14th of January. Hanwha Ocean's primary goal is to identify opportunities for investment, collaboration, and technology transfer. The company aims to leverage India's growing shipbuilding infrastructure to address its overflowing order books and alleviate pressure on its domestic facilities. Now let's have a look at some of the global highlights of today. Armored vehicle makers KNDS and Rheinmetall and defense electronics firm Thales signed the shareholder agreement for the project company that will develop a future main battle tank for Germany and France, moving a step closer to starting actual work on a program held up for years by wrangling between various partners. KNDS Deutschland, KNDS France, Rheinmetall, and Thales will each hold 25% in the new company, which will be based in Cologne, Germany, with the accord signed in Paris on 23rd of Jan, deemed essential in creating the joint firm. On a country level, the work share between France and Germany will be split 50-50. The future tank, known as the Main Ground Combat System, is meant to replace the Leopard 2 and Leclerc tanks in service with the German and French armed forces, respectively. Egypt's Arab Organization for Industrialization (AOI), through its Qadar Factory for Advanced Industries, has finalized a contract with the Ministry of National Security in Equatorial Guinea for the export of two types of Egyptian manufactured vehicles. This agreement involves the delivery of an unspecified number of Qadar 1 riot control vehicles and Qadar 2 4x4 armored vehicles, also referred to as SHIELD. The deal aims to address security and public order requirements in Equatorial Guinea. The Qadar 1 riot control vehicle is designed for urban security operations. It complies with B4 ballistic protection standards under EN 1063, providing resistance against pistol and rifle fire. The vehicle can carry up to 11 personnel, including the driver, and is equipped with tactical run-flat tires, a tear gas filtration system, internal ventilation, and fire suppression systems. Originally developed for Egypt's Ministry of Interior, it can be adapted for international clients based on operational requirements. The Qadar 2, also known as SHIELD, is a domestically designed and manufactured armored vehicle. It is built to provide protection against explosive devices and gunfire, including resistance to 7.62 into 51 rounds. The vehicle includes fire ports for personnel to respond to threats, armor glass for visibility and protection, and tactical run-flat tires that allow continued mobility after damage. It also features a chassis designed to operate effectively in both urban and rough terrain and includes a platform capable of accommodating manually operated or remote-controlled weapons. Estonia-based Milrem Robotics revealed the upcoming supply of its first armed Themis unmanned ground vehicle to the armed forces of Ukraine at Defence IQ's International Armored Vehicles 2025 conference held in Farnborough, UK from 21st to 23rd of January. Themis is a family of medium UGVs designed for logistics support, transport, surveillance, reconnaissance, and combat support. Since 2022, the AFU has deployed the Themis Cargo Casualty Evacuation UGV and Themis Route Clearance Unmanned System to support transport, evacuation, demining and logistics and combat engineering teams. Tests of Themis armed with a grenade launcher are expected to be completed in February after combat trials in Estonia. Additional tests of Themis include counter-unmanned aerial vehicle capabilities and extended communication and control range using Starlink satellite communications. The use of unmanned platforms by the AFU has been reported since the opening stages of the conflict with Russia, gaining momentum especially in 2024, with new combat UGVs being developed, tested, and deployed. That's the news for today. We hope you enjoyed the news. Please do subscribe to our channel and do give us your feedback. Thank you.